Well, I write a kind of music called freeform country folk rock, science fiction, gospel come, bluegrass, opera, science fiction, cow jazz music. And this is a little sci-fi grasshopper music. Named after these science fiction grasshoppers that were on all the Japanese movies. They'd come eat towns, giant grasshoppers. Okay. This won't last long, folks. You gotta go pee. It's a good song to go pee on. I sent this song to Kermit the Frog and he wouldn't do it. Birds don't get lost in the Everglades. They follow the plan Mother Nature made for each egg that's laid. Some hatch out fine, some serve to dine the alligator. Would it do for me and you to be that true? Woo-hoo-hoo. Hate don't exist in the Wolverine. He's just uncommonly natural mean, but that's a Wolverine scene. His smell offends, but he don't lie about being friendly. Could it be that you and me could be that free? Bring to mind the buffalo, 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 how the buffalo. Where did the passenger, a pigeon go, pigeon go, pigeon go, where'd the pigeon go? Ah. Will the eagle be the next to die? Make the national bird the common fly. Why can't we live with animals? But be a boa, a constrictor's pal, or the great horned owl. The common good is brotherhood for the hooded cobra, and it should be that we could all be that good. Thank you. You're a good audience.